Hi everyone, welcome to Mockplus. Today we'll be talking about Mockplus RP. Mockplus RP is a web-based design tool. You'll be able to design interactive prototype in just a few minutes. This video will cover the basics of how to work with Mockplus RP, how to share your projects, and how to collaborate with others in the same team. Let's get started. In Mockplus RP, you can start with the artboard of your choice of any sizes. Here on the right, you can choose a different size for it. For example, I've just typed into something and I've expanded my artboard. On the bottom, you'll be able to see presets of artboard sizes for you to choose from. On the upper left corner, you'll have your menu over here. You'll be able to change your preferences on layout, grid, or advanced measurements. We'll leave it as it is for now. When you need to export your Mockplus RP file, you can go to Export MRP Files. Under Shortcuts, we have a comprehensive list for you to get to know your Mockplus RP and how to work with your Mockplus RP the most efficient way. Mockplus Components is really easy to work with. There are many pre-made components for you to use with a simple drag and drop. I could choose whatever components from the left panel, drag onto my canvas, and I can already start editing them. Double click, then I'm entered the editing mode of this component. I can change its order, and now it looks better. Under my basic components, I can drag out a rectangle. And if I want to change its color, I can go to the right property panel, select Fill, and now it's done. Mockplus also comes with a connect mode for you to quickly draw out a flowchart. Here, I've already dragged out a few boxes. Now, under connect mode, hovering over, I'm getting connecting point automatically. I can now easily connect my components. And dragging them around will still keep them connected. Starting from the upper left corner, you'll be able to see the exit button, your menu, and the project name. Moving down, there's a few options to create a page or a group. Here, for example, I'll create a new page. My new artboard size will be decided on the project type that's already pre-selected as an iPhone XR. Pressing the delete button will delete the current selected page, and once deleted, it will be shown in the recycle bin. Go to my tab bar. By clicking the selected icon, I can hide and show my left panel. On the same menu, I can choose between components, icons, layers, and assets. Let's take a look at the components. Components are broken down into different categories. Basic ones, including a rectangle, containers, panel container, and a content panel, are common, most used components, markup for you to realize a flowchart easily, or shapes, which support Boolean options so you could realize advanced editing. There are many icons ready for you to use in both thin and thick lines. Under Layers, you'll see all layers in your current projects. The Asset panel is essentially where you could save your components for later reusing them. For example, having this component selected, right-click, and I can select Add Colors to Assets. I have a blue and a gray. Now I can have other components selected and apply these colors to them easily. Now, let's look at the property panel. Your property panel is located on the right side of your screen. It is basically a panel dedicated to show all the available properties to the current selected components. For example, here I have a rectangle selected, and I can change its location, its size, or the style of its borders, And I can give it some shadows. And I can apply rounded corners to it. I can even add a note to the specific component. When I have multiple components on the same artboard and I'm dragging them along, Mockplus will show me automatically the alignment. I can also have both of them selected and use selections on my property panel to perfectly align them. Next to the property panel, there's my interaction selections. All the components with a red dot on the upper right corner means that I can assign an interaction with this red dot. Simply by dragging it out and assign that onto the next component. Now I've successfully assigned an interaction of this circle to the rectangle. Zooming in, we can see a little thunder icon. That means there's an interaction applied. On my interaction panel, I can modify my interactions. On the top bar, I can add another sub-artboard, or using my pen and pencil tool for vector editing. This button shows all of my artboard, and next to it, my state panel is used for interactions as well. For example, here, I can see different states of this rectangle. I can easily zoom in and out with these buttons or choose a specific percentage. Or I can share this project while I'm editing and invite others along to edit with me. In Mockplus RP, you can edit all the details on every single page. When you're done with that, you can exit to Storyboard. Here, you'll have all of your pages ready for viewing. On the left, you can see a tree of all the pages in the same projects. And you can align them and make connection lines between them as well. You can even add a note between two pages by double-clicking onto a logic line that you've added. On the bottom right corner, there's a navigation window for you to quickly locate between pages. Now it's time to preview. Click the preview button and you're taken to a new window. Here, you can show your live prototype just like how you designed it. You can share this prototype with a device frame so that others will see what you're seeing right now. You can also share a storyboard with others. With private share, you can easily send this project with others within your team. Public share allows people who aren't in the same team to view your design. Mockplus RP is an easy-to-use, fast-to-produce tool. It takes you just a few hours to get yourself acquainted with this tool, and before you know it, you're already producing high-quality models. It is great for your interactive product improvement cycles. Edit in real time with others under multiplayer editing mode. Now, with a brand new desktop app for both Windows and Mac, forever free. Have fun designing!